I'm across the street from Coombs Candy Store, and I'm about to go check out the hole in the wall. So come on, let's go. As soon as you come into the trail, you see this tree with the pink spray paint on it. You just follow it and come right in. This is a very well-traveled path in here. You won't get lost. You can see it right from up from the road already, where you're supposed to come in. I'd recommend getting here pretty early. There's already quite a few people in the parking lot. It wasn't hard to run across the little freeway area there. Some people say it is. It wasn't at all. It wasn't a big deal. There isn't any signage anywhere, but if you use an app like All Trails, it just guides you exactly where to go. Of course, as soon as I say that, here's a little pink trail marker. Here are some remnants of an old vehicle of some kind. Wow, that's been here for a long time. It's a fairly easy walk in here. There's a little incline right here. And just be careful on these rocks. They slide under your feet a little bit. Hole in the wall. So we're just coming up to the hole in the wall. Look at that, eh? Oh, that's pretty. That is cool. So we're at the end of the walk. I hope you enjoy seeing the hole in wall and a little bit of the trail, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!